Hi, this is Vijay. Welcome to Bull Street. In this video, we're going to discuss about the market levels, Nifty and Bank Nifty levels, with respect to the ongoing November month F&O expiry and few sessions in the December 1st and 2nd week, because the market is showing in a different signal for the past few days. Before going to discuss those details, we are going to discuss about the Superfans Option. Superfans Option is a trading tips platform, full and full for small investors. So those who are having a little bit capital of 10k and those who are willing to come out of the middle class level, we are giving trading tips in stock option with the entry price and target price and related update in WhatsApp. There will be 30 trading tips in a month of 30 calendar days. These trading tips are all these trading tips are in a low priced manner. I mean to say that to take one lot of trading at a time, there may be a sum of 600 rupees, 800 rupees, 1000 or 1500 rupees, 2000 rupees is enough. But whereas the 10k is nothing but it is a cushion to have a comfortable trading at low priced option trading. I mean to say that this is a kind of penny level option trading. We are the only people we do master in penny level option trading. I can say there are three highlights in Superfans option. The first highlight is the working capital itself very low, 10k. I used to say that this is a 10k magic. Really, it's a magic. If you look at the past highest performance, you may wonder and you may accept that how we do mastery in penny level option trading. And second highlight is there won't be any loss at all, or else if any loss occurs it will be very minimum, because we used to trade in a lateral way. We think in a different way and our approach is entirely different. Normally people used to buy a stock and sell a stock in between these two levels. They used to put a stop loss, but whereas we don't mind the stop loss and we apply a lateral approach and we apply a safe trading method also. So chance of getting loss is very minimum. And third highlight is if a person joins the Superfans option, whether he is familiar with the stock market or unfamiliar with stock market, or he is a newbie in the stock market, there will be possible profits for the subscriber. So because of that, all the subscribers are automatically renew their subscription month over month. We have plenty of subscribers, those who are renewing the subscriptions for more than 12 months together. So the Superfans option is a highly successful trading tips platform. It is meant for you. It is meant for small traders, small investors. The subscription to join Superfans option is 7,999 per month. You can remit the subscription by GPay, PhonePay, Amazon Pay, Paytm to our WhatsApp number. You can join immediately. Why you got to join immediately? Because in a market there is a spike or spurt or magical moment or treasure like moment or a jackpot like opportunity will arise all of a sudden. So you cannot wait or you cannot expect it. It will happen at any moment of time. So one has to subscribe earlier and one has to be inside the subscription, so you can make a benefit out of it. So please subscribe to Superfans option. Now imagine a different scenario altogether. Suppose you may be working in an office with a heavy hectic workload. You may not be able to perform trading at all, or you may be a housewife. You are very busy with the household activities. You may not be able to do trading at all, or else you are a person retired from the service, and if you are interested in the market, but you may have a fear out of age and other parameters, or else if you are working in a foreign country, the time zone may not be matched with our Indian time zone. So these you people need not trade at all in the market. Then how to earn from the market? I can say that is there is any way to do earn money without doing any trading in the stock market. Here there is a plan is known as Superfans Penny, in which there is no trading at all, just to buy and hold the stock. In Superfans Penny we used to give stock prices in the range of 5 paise to 20 rupees, sometimes slightly above 20 rupees. And here there is only one highlight. There is no trading at all. Just buy and hold the stock in your demat account. This stock will make a wonderful result within few months to few years. I can say the past highest performed stocks. One is known as the Acer Motor. We gave it at the price of just 17 rupees when the company was in a lockout period, and later on, in within few years, the stock price from 17 rupees reached to 36,000 rupees. Such a massive growth. Imagine that if a person invested around 10k in this stock, the 10k would be around 2.11 crores of rupees within a span of few years. And another case is the J Corporation. J Corporation is a peculiar, peculiar penny stock. This J Corporation has grown to 15,000 rupees from just 15 rupees within a span of 1 year. Imagine that if a person invested 10k in this J Corporation, the 10k will be around 1 crore rupees within a span of 1 year. And another example is Selmak. Another example is Selmak. It is a textile conglomerate. Now you cannot able to buy this stock. And last year during the October 28th, the stock price was just 1 rupee 35 paise, and later on from this year April 28th, the stock price went up to 1975. Imagine that suppose a person invested 10k in this Selmak, the 10k will be around 1.46 lakhs of rupees within a span of just 6 months. And another example is Rusi Soya. And during the first lockdown period, the stock price of Rusi Soya is around 17 rupees. Then within a span of 5 months, the stock price went up to 2,500 rupees. Suppose a person invested 10k in this Rusi Soya, the 10k will be around 12.20 lakhs of rupees. Such a massive growth. So even now there are some stocks are available. They are unfamiliar, unforeseen to investors and others. In the Superfans penny, there are 20 stocks will be recommended. These 20 stocks are potential penny stocks. If any one of the penny stock goes to such a massive growth, your lifestyle will be entirely changed. So this is an opportunity. Please subscribe to Superfans Penny. Subscription to join Superfans Penny is also 7,999 per month. See, I always apply Wildman theory in my trading and investment. It gives a very good result. With respect to my kind of analysis, I can say that the Nifty will cross 1,888 level, and before or just after the November month F&O expiry. And with respect to the bank nifty will cross 550. I mean to say that 50,050 level. And after crossing this level, the both Nifty as well as bank Nifty will have a slight mild hairline level correction, and it will come up. And regarding stocks, I find that there are some of the stocks will be most beneficiary for investment as well as trading during this rest of the days in November, and after the November expiry, rest of the days in first and second week of December. I can say that the HDFC Bank and Canara Bank will perform better. In Canara Bank, we already made a jackpot profit. In HDFC Bank also we already made jackpot profit. Another stock is Tech Mahindra, and next stock is Nika. Nika has a different way. After the promoters login period over, because of the massive selling, Nika stock come down, and now the Nika stock is picking up. And another stock is Vedanta VDL. And in IT sector, there is only one stock I'm concentrating, the Infosys. So you can also concentrate these stocks. You can put these stocks in the market watch window and watch the price movement of these stocks. If at all you want to trade with these stocks, you can trade. And here, this is not a recommendation. These are my personal views, my observation. So please make a note of it. If you want to do option trading at lower level, I mean to say that the low premium option trading and penny level option trading, you may need a better trading platform. Here in this description box, I put a link. Just click the link and open a mobile trading account. You may be having different mobile trading account and other trading accounts. I am using this trading account. This link is working very well for me. You can also open a mobile trading account by using this link. And suppose you want to do the option trading at higher level. If you have a capital of around 1 lakh rupees, and if you are willing to pay premium level subscription, you can subscribe to Bull Street Casino. In Bull Street Casino, there are trading tips like double money trading tips, triple money trading tips, mini jackpot trading tips, and occasional jackpot trading tips. Such kind of trading tips may occur. So the Bull Street Casino is meant for elite investors and elite traders. If you are in a middle class level, if you are in a middle class family, if you have just simply 10k only, if you want to come out from the middle class level, you can subscribe to Bull Street Superfans Option. And Superfans Penny is another opportunity to make a great wealth for you and your ward. See, please watch this channel, share this video to your fellow friends and social media platforms. Thank you very much. I am Vijay.